Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Facebook featured photos settings. Open your Facebook app. First, you need to click on these three lines in the top right corner. And now you need to click on your profile icon in here. Then, once you are on your profile, scroll down and here you can find this Edit Public Details option. So, tap on it. Scroll down again and here you can find this featured option under your hobbies. Tap on this Try It button to add the featured photos. Now select a photo for your featured collection and tap on this Next button in the very bottom. Now you need to add the title for your featured collection. After you added title, you can click on this Save button. Then you successfully posted your featured photo. Now go back and refresh. You can see your featured photos under your profile. Press and hold on your featured photo collection you created now. Then here you can edit and delete it easily. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.